Hi everyone, welcome back to our finance channel. Today's video is going to be exciting and highly relevant, especially for our teenage viewers out there. If you're a teenager looking to earn some extra cash, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing 5 easy and practical ways for teenagers to make money. These methods will not only help you build a strong work ethic, but also provide valuable life skills. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1. E-commerce. In today's digital age, teenagers have more opportunities than ever to make money online. E-commerce in particular offers an exciting avenue for young entrepreneurs to tap into their creativity and passion while generating income. The first step in starting an e-commerce venture is to choose a niche or product category that aligns with your interests and passion. This could be anything from eco-friendly products to personalized accessories, fashion items, or digital products like artwork or ebooks. Selecting a niche you genuinely care about will not only keep you motivated, but also allow you to connect with your target audience more effectively. With a clear niche and market research in hand, it is time to set up your online store. There are several platforms to choose from, such as Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces that allow you to create and customize your store according to your brand identity. Now, all you have to do is find a way to market whatever you are selling. You can market your products organically through making viral TikTok and Instagram Reels. Once you have built a good baseline following and are getting consistent views and orders, you can then start paying for ads to further scale your business to the next level. Also, remember you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Have a look online and see what is already working within your niche and replicate it to a higher standard. Number 2. Online surveys and microtasks. One of the simplest ways for teenagers to make money is by participating in online surveys and microtasks. Many companies and research firms are willing to pay for your opinions and feedbacks. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars offer various surveys and small tasks you can complete in your free time. To get started, create accounts on these platforms and complete your profile to receive surveys tailored to your interests. Be honest and provide thoughtful responses, as this will increase your chances of qualifying for higher paying surveys. Additionally, you can take up microtasks like data entry, website testing, or transcribing short audio clips. While the earnings may not be massive, it's an effortless way to make money during your spare moments. Number 3. Flipping products. The first key to successful flipping is through research. Identify popular and in-demand items that have a good resale value. Look for products that are trending or have a niche market. Electronics, vintage items, collectibles, fashion accessories, and furniture are examples of items that often do well when flipping. Keep an eye on what sells well and fetches a good price to inform your future purchases. Set up a budget and get out there and get your first product. You can find a lot of cheap bargains on places like Facebook Marketplace and eBay, where people don't realize the value of some of the goods that they are selling. You will be able to negotiate with the seller a lot of the times as well to bring their price down, allowing you to increase your profit margin. Number 4. Tutoring and academic help. As a teenager, you possess valuable knowledge in various subjects that can be of great help to younger students. Tutoring and providing academic help are excellent ways to make money while assisting others in their education. Identify your areas of expertise and the subjects you feel confident teaching. Reach out to your teachers, classmates, and parents to let them know about your tutoring services. Word-of-mouth recommendations can go a long way in attracting your first clients. Consider offering both one-on-one and group tutoring sessions. Group sessions can be more affordable for students and create a collaborative learning environment. You can host tutoring sessions in person or explore online tutoring platforms to reach a broader audience. Remember, patience and understanding are crucial when tutoring. Tailor your teaching style to suit each student's needs and learning pace. As you help others succeed academically, you will be rewarded not only financially, but also by knowing you have made a positive impact on someone's education. Number 5. Creating content on YouTube or social media. In today's digital age, Content creation has become a lucrative way for teenagers to make money. If you have a passion for something, whether it's gaming, fashion, beauty, or DIY projects, consider starting a YouTube channel or social media account. First, identify your niche and target audience. Choose something you love and are knowledgeable about, as it will make creating content more enjoyable and authentic. Whether you're posting gameplay videos, makeup tutorials, or DIY hacks, be consistent with your uploads to keep your audience engaged. Growing your audience takes time and dedication, but with patience and perseverance, you can attract followers who enjoy your content. Once you have a substantial following, you can monetize your channel through ad revenue, sponsored content, merchandise sales, or even by joining creator programs on platforms like YouTube and TikTok. And there you have it, 5 easy ways for teenagers to make money. From online surveys and microtasks to selling crafts, tutoring, and content creation, these options offer you the flexibility to earn money while pursuing your interests and passions. Remember, success may not come overnight, but with hard work and dedication, you can turn your hobbies into a fulfilling and profitable venture. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these opportunities today and unlock your potential as a teenage entrepreneur. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.